We live. New episode, DripMyWhip. Who's that guy?
I'm a goat, nigga.
We brought the bucket for a fun day ahead. Hopefully it manages. Head to a car show that's actually going to be half sideshow as well. It's all legit though, don't arrest me.
No cap, this is all legit, I promise.
But first, we got to get the food though. Well, y'all got to get food. Or he's got to get food.
20 minutes later.
Wait for me, wait for me. What? Oh yeah, no cap. Of the VQ over there. All right, so like I said, we heading to a little stunt show that got going on behind the car show. I'm gonna pull up to it in a minute. We just had to go get some sweet tea. If y'all don't fuck with sweet tea, then go ahead and unsubscribe. So just go ahead.
Sweet tea, unsubscribe.
1 hour later.
Doo -doo. Mr. Robbie, how you doing?
I'm pissed.
Why are you mad?
I'm very disappointed.
Huh?
Very disappointed.
What's his problem?
Hi, Seb.
What's up?
How you doing, buddy?
We're just chilling. We're in the block. In my city.
We on the east. We're on the east with it. All right, we just pulled up to the car show. It's literally just got here and it just started. So there's some clean ass cars here. We're gonna walk around here in a second. But like I was telling y'all, I brought the sedan. So everything has been running fantastic with it since the last time y'all saw it pop clutch. Everything's good. Only problem I'm having right now is I've noticed my diff bushing is going bad. And I've got a new one, but we didn't have time to put it in before we got here. So hopefully the sedan holds up and the pop clutch a little bit later. It should all work out though. $800 to the best slider is what they're talking about. So you already know I had to come show out because, I mean, free money. That's free money at this point. Anyway, we're gonna walk around and go see some stuff and we'll come back to the sedan a little bit. Yo. It looked like he lagging, no cap. Huh? Hey, yo, respect all builds, bro.
Drip's about to slide this bitch. What's your plan for the day, man?
What's the plan?
All day. All day. Are you smacking anyone? Are you smacking me? What's going on?
I don't think I'm allowed to smack nobody.
Why?
Man.
What if I had purposely just... And just so like...
You see that? All right, you see this right here? See that? You can add to that if you want.
There we go.
Yeah, I'll put your... that's somebody's knee. That's somebody's knee right there. Now, look at this fucking beautiful ass Impala. Check this out, bro. Look at this thing. 6'4". Oh my god, he ain't gotta flex on me like that. Look at the paint, bro. Hella old school's pulling up. There's like no new school stuff. This is the only new school stuff right here. We got a red eye, another Hellcat, a couple of scats. Got some built vets. We got a good crowd with the G though. The sedan is getting a lot of love today. I'm actually very surprised at that. Let's take a walk around real quick. We'll see what we're working with. Got the Impala gang all the way up, all the way down Impala gang. Yo, I'm actually, look at this. Bro's rims are on point. I actually like that a lot. I know we don't usually see donks on the channel, but that's not really a donk, but you gotta love the old schools. Y'all don't see the old schools that much on my channel. I'm about to show them some love real quick. I like this hood, man. You got the SS style, like, you know, they come on the SS's of this period. That looks nice. Oh my God, that looks fantastic. Interior clean as hell. Honestly, I've always liked these kind of like Impalas. Sorry about the music, guys. I apologize. You're not gonna be able to hear, bro. God, look at this. Look at this speaker setup. He got more speakers than he got car. Got the dubs, bro. Look at this. You can see me, bro. Hey, yo, that's what's up. This thing's beautiful. 5.3 Vortec. Good swap, good swap. Got the Jeeps. I love the paint on these two. Check this out. Check this paint out. Look at that paint color. That's gorgeous. That shit beautiful. The paint on these are just immaculate. Look at that. Woo. Can't go wrong with the old schools, no cap. Damn. There's hella nice cars out here. Make my sedan look like a real bucket. I mean, it was already a bucket, but it's noticeable now. All right, so we are just waiting. It's about halfway into the show. I got both cameras out. Just gonna try to save battery on the GoPro because I only got one battery with me. Sedan's doing good though. I just had to make that stupid ass repair to it. As y'all can see, all right, so I fixed the fender. I literally just grabbed it and just pulled it back out. What time is it, like 5 o'clock? It's like 5 o'clock, so we got about an hour and a half before we're supposed to slide, so we'll just see how that goes. But the turnout's really good. I mean, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. As you can see, we got a lot of people. A lot of people came out on the east side. So, mad love to y'all. A lot of people have been saying hi to me and stuff. So, thank y'all for that. I really appreciate it. It always makes me feel good, especially when I come into like a new area, a new environment type thing. Now I just got to make sure. Or now I just gotta hope if I can show out because I really want to. So details on the event, I don't think I really went over it. As far as what we're doing here, it's a car show with a stunt show at the end. It's $70 driver entry and an $800 prize. I don't know how many drivers there are, but I entered. I know Kip is supposed to come here. We're supposed to tandem together, so I'm excited for that. I'm trying to take home the $800 because why not, you know? Damn, my hand dirty as hell. Have not a lot of sliders in her, that's easy money. If it's a lot of sliders, well, I guess I got extra tire for a reason, you know what I mean?
3 hours later.
All right, sliding cars lined up. I got a piece of chicken because I was hungry. I got Kip here with me. I don't know where the front of his car went, but we lined up. Everybody, we're gonna start getting everything ready. After I eat this piece of chicken, we're gonna pop shit off.
Next.
My bad, man.
Nigga, I'm not giving away no money if this shit don't get organized.
I can't roll it down. Hold on.
Hey, go out. Get out.
I thought we could do 2, man. I'm so sorry.
Go out.
A few inches later.
All right, after I just got yelled at, they told me no cameras. They were yelling at me and shit. Hold on, let me back the car up real quick. I'll explain to y'all. So apparently we weren't supposed to tandem, and that was against the rules. And hey, we hopped in that thing though. You what?
I said I'm gonna let y'all back in. Please follow me.
Okay, so 1 car at a time.
Y'all can get 2 cars. It's just we didn't get started. A whole bunch of people almost got hit. This is an insured event. I can't get nobody hit. Bro.
I'm sorry, man. And yeah, I thought we were going already. So when I saw him pop clutch, I was like, yo.
Look. If somebody jump in the pit, just stop, and we're gonna kick that motherfucker out the pit.
All right.
That's all we're doing.
Hey, can you punch my headlight real quick? Someone punch my headlight?
You said punch.
Yeah, punch it. That motherfucker ain't turning on? All right. Oh well.
Let your man do the same thing.
Let's do that again. No, don't.
You want me to get home?
No, I'm just resetting my codes. I'm gonna hop in.
I got you.
This is a bucket, bro. I don't give a shit.
I kind of see that, man. Y'all boy.
What do you mean by that?
Y'all boy riding, man.
Thank you, bro.
I'm trying to learn this shit. I gotta do.
Bro, we mac each other.
Good? Oh, you good?
Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm just resetting my codes. Hey, everything good. Everything good. I'm just resetting my codes.
He's straight though.
Yeah, I don't care. I'm about to hop back in. I'm just resetting my codes.
No, I told you, bro. I thought you broke some shit.
Yeah, no, I got a misfire. We good. I'm resetting.
Oh,
You little fuck. Hey, I caught that shit at 4K though, twin.
Bruh, Kip. Okay, hold on. Who first of all, who got the first round?
I got the first.
Who got the first round?
All of it.
Okay, so we were popping clutch.
Okay.
And then they screamed at us to stop.
Right.
They leave. We yell at us. They say, "Don't go back in together." And he goes in. Then they come run over to me. Go in together. I'm like, all right. Bop, bop, bop. And so then.
All right, come on.
Hold on. Engine check real quick. Dang, he bent my rim. Oh, it's still holding there. We good. That was funny as shit, bro. When you kick back, I knew it was over. I was like, the second.
I told my girl, I'm like, yeah, you could have hit me. She like,
because I was about. Don't hit me. Imagine he hits the back of me. I'd be like, yo, bro, my window's in. Oh no, my window's in there.
God damn.
Hold on, let me see.
You kind of drove with my wheel.
Oh, it stopped. That's all we get. It's all good. Hey, the window's not cracked though. I hope somebody got our first run and shit.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay.
I think everybody. I saw so many cameras, bro.
Yeah, bro, we were going crazy.
2 hours later.
All right, so that's some hoe shit. So there was supposed to be another round and it got too late in the night, so they said it's done. I told you, man, they weren't gonna vote for me just because they didn't get to see enough of it, honestly, which is really annoying. So, but you know, you can't win every one of them. Let me get home and I'm gonna update y'all on, like, I'll show you all the damage and stuff and we'll talk more about it. I just gotta get home first. Alrighty guys, so pulled in the gas station real quick on the way home just to show y'all what happened. So that's the damage. You couldn't really see it in the dark right there. And sorry if the recording was kind of hectic. I was kind of caught off guard by that, no cap. Not too bad. I mean, it's just a door at the end of the day. And that's, oh, bro, my hand, I'm so sorry. My hands are so dirty from trying to fix the car. So essentially what happened was when I got hit, it shut the car off. I think the car knew that it got in an accident. Thank God the airbags didn't go off. And it just shut the car off. It didn't want to run after that. So what I did instead was I spent the entire first round trying to get this thing to run again, trying to start it, reset the ECU, check fuel, check spark. Didn't want to run. So I missed the rest of the first round. So most of the crowd didn't get to see me. I got voted out. And when it comes to the sliding game, man, stuff like this, that just comes with it. There's no beef with Kip. Don't even try to say there is. He's good. I'm good. That's you got to pay to play sometimes. And hey, at least it was the bucket and not the Z. So I got to take this thing home. I got knocked out of the competition because I wasn't able to make another run. So I know. Y'all know I can slide anyway. If you're watching this, then you know I can slide. So we good. I'm going to get this thing. I mean, it's running good now, but we'll get it fixed up, bring it back out. We'll be ready for the next one. What you got? Oh, you got it. Bro, RIP, bro. No cap. This just happened. If you're, I don't know what time I'm gonna release the video, but we just lost takeoff, so RIP, bro. So the car's dirty and damaged. I'm slick a little hurt because I got knocked out when I know I could have done way better, but I still went hard with Kip. When we first flew in, they were yelling at us to stop. I know y'all saw the footage, but that would have been, if we got to keep going, that was hard. But the pit was really tight, so it makes sense to get hit in the pit. Oh well. But y'all know me, man. I'd rather put on a show, and I don't care what happens to the car. As long as I put on a good show, I put on a good show, which, I mean, I did the best I could given the circumstances. It's a shame the car couldn't get running in time, but things happen, man, and I'll, you know. And Kip, I know you're watching this. I need a rematch, bro. We not finishing it off like this. I'm wait to fix the door. I need you to sign it, and we're getting back in the pit together. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna take my ass home, so I'll see y'all on the next episode of DripMyWhip. Peace.